Hi guys, my name is Joshua Park. For Stackathon, I built the game using Unity. It's called FPSG, Mr. Dead, which stands for first-person shooting game, Mr. Dead. And then the reason why I chose Unity is that I saw Unity as fairly simple game once you know how to use it, and then it's well supported as well. And I really wanted to build a game on my own because I'm a very fan of playing games and I'm a gamer. And I had to learn some of the C# during the week, but I've managed it. And this is my world, the zombie world. This is a scene. Alright, so yeah. The one on the left, those are zombie troops running to kill me. I'm right in the middle, but you guys can't see me now. And then the one on the right, the people are just cheering me to kill all the zombies. Alright, so I go back and then go to my game view. Right here. Alright. I could actually play the game. Alright, using ADWS, moving vertically and horizontally, and I can shoot the zombies, and then they're gonna die. As you can see, there's a sparks the moment I click on the fire button, and then if I get close to the zombie, or like if they touch me, I have a health bar that's gonna deduct. I'm gonna die instantly though. The game refreshes, and then there's my people cheering me at the back. And then I can actually kill the zombie boss. When I kill it, level's gonna be completed. Yep, and this is my Stackathon.